I think Kyle, probably, they both probably got connected with security because security teams, they run together in circles. But the people I did security with, they run in circles with other people that do security.
I'm so tired. That dude cold as hell. Pusha T. I heard you with.
I got that investigation file on it.
It's about time. What they know?
Well, not what you want. There's a lot going on, but no real news. Says he was killed the same night as his father was Mrs. Hager. Look at it as a possibility.
Who do you think that was?
I'd say your guess is as good as theirs. There are 45 caliber shell casings, but that's a long shot at best. Partial consulate, no way. Potential witnesses scattered from rats ahead. Social.
Live with my homeboy Rodney. They call him D-Dirt.
Down this thing, Penny Rich.
This is how it works.
Light skin.
Yeah, he's still making beats.
He was making beats for a long time, bro.
Doing film stuff with Matt.
You remember Byron Tillman?
Yeah.
He was in a wheelchair.
I don't know. I ain't seen him in a wheelchair recently. He ain't used to be in one.
He had an accident. Dark skinned Byron. Yeah, he had an accident. I seen him at a football game a while ago. He was in a wheelchair. Think Pusha T better than Drake?
I think Drake better than Pusha. Drake got more range.
He got more range than Kendrick. Thank you, whoever put that fan on. Jeez.
I'm working on it. Do you have any luck getting the redacted version of that deal also?
The first Jay-Z album.
The Reasonable Doubt?
Yeah, with Jigga Who?
No, that was on Hard Knock Life, I think.
Yeah, Hard Knock Life. There's some more. Yeah, some good music.
Yeah, Jay-Z, man, he finna get caught up like Diddy.
I pray not.
I do too, man, because we need somebody with black excellence leading our culture.
R. Kelly got caught up.
You know he did another album after he got caught up. Well, the first one. They needed him out the way, man. He was really powerful in this business. That's why they got Michael Jackson, man. Too powerful. Once you learn the tricks and the trades of the industry and then start manipulating like they do. How do I keep these? What do I have to do?
Do-rag.
That's it?
It's time down.
Time down for do-rag?
Okay.
What's up? Y'all coming through this shirt? I ain't got no do-rag in there. Should have do it. Oh, okay.
It should. They got an hour where they got like
See what's up.
shampoos and
Alright, whatever y'all want to do, I'm here for you.
Yeah, so starting up now. You were supposed to proof your report yesterday.
Okay.
We need this now.
Omarosa.
Excuse me?
Dude, that's fucked up. Just fucking do it.
I know my hair kind of soft because it's sweat.
What's it fucking take?
For that, no.
I love her just about as much as I love music.
You think we need to make a better agreement?
Fuck yeah. Was that supposed to be?
Okay.
And usually lasts about a month. I ain't gotta put nothing on them or nothing, just calm down.
You do put something on there, some foam wrap, just to kind of get the split.
Some foam who?
Foam wrap, I'll show you. Just to kind of keep the split in, some sticky notes. Like how I put that foam wrap on there before you got it.
You talking about that white strip thing?
The white strip.
And that foam stuff you put on my hair?
The foam wrap that helps your hair last longer.
Where you get that at?
Beauty supply. Put it on there right before you.
What is it called? Foam
wrap.
Foam.
What's that? You reconnect?
Not just my line, just the line thing. I'll get the beard and stuff.
Gandhi said, the earth provides enough to satisfy everyone's needs.
Really appreciate you, bro.
So my question for you is, in this nation of haves versus have-nots that worship at the church of capitalism,
Sorry, I'm
is the
sweating.
line between me and greed?
That don't change.
Right, you know I always been a sweater,
You hear
bro.
me? Shoot, my sweat picked up too.
Really, that means you're losing weight.
Yeah.
That's what that means. If it's picking up, you're losing weight. When you sweat, when you lose it, number 2, you lose weight. Should be some parts in my eyebrows, but I know you got another client.
She detoxing. I'm doing her locks. She's in the
You have to detox locks?
because you know when you smoke and you put different things in your locks, it's always good to get them out of there. Get the dirt and stuff out.
I should point out that's also the philosophy of the hair system. Seriously, it's very American.
My wife can do anything I tell her. She's serious.
How you doing, man?
And I know who my stylist is, you know. Oh, the jacket. Oh, John, the jacket, bro. Man, bro, I gotta be.
You know I do photography, right?
Man, don't tell me.
And I do interviews, so
I need to be interviewed, man.
I'll be on the fly.
How much you charge for your interview?
We'll talk about it.
Bet. I've been telling Bill for about the last 5 years somebody need an interview. I got a
I've
story.
been wanting to interview Ben for a long time. We can help get him out there some more.
Lil Ben?
Yeah.
Interview you to help me get out. What's up? Because me and Lil Ben, I met everybody. Before it's like the early 2000s, late 2000s, middle 2000s, late 90s.
How you doing?
All that time.
I'm well. Miss Maria. What's up, buddy? My modeling friend, mama.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Congratulations. Rain might go on, but it might come out. You know how they act.
That ain't how they go.
And that's how it goes.
No, that's not how they go.
Hey, they get a clown, it's off. That's why I ain't been married yet. Go on there, come on real quick.
First one that play basketball.
I am. Y'all still playing doing basketball? Oh yeah, he needs to come now. He get on my nerves. We was just up the street because I was trying to get his haircut, but his barber got 45 people.
I got 5.
She said no problem.
I got like 5 more days.
Oh yeah, let him come on now. When y'all play him?
I'm gonna use coach number while we in the back. And then we call his name. I'm the head dude wanting to run over there. And Coach Kenny.
Okay.
I had a line in them like 6 years, bro.
Okay.
Keep play a little bit with it? Come on, y'all.
But you know how to play. You got a basketball. You got
Excuse me, no one gave me. Think of it as a redirection. Young black hair is still hot as fuck out here in the streets, and it's not a good look for my team. I tried to work along with the king.
You be around, though.
Yeah.
You know everybody.
Yeah. We done a lot of modeling shows together. She would hit me up about braiding her daughter's hair. And her son, like a lot of the shows I was doing her and makeup in, and her daughters had some models that was walking for her collection.
I got that 314, the 314 jacket, 314 day jacket, bro. It's just so sick, bro.
I already told you I'm not moving away from no one or any other fucking connected phone. Drew talking about. Drew ain't saying shit because he knows what I said.
Actually, yep. On 70 and Jenner Station Road.
Then Drew brought me to the penthouse where we laid eyes on me and everything.
That's French. Who took that?
What you mean? No, that was a cow doing that. Yeah. Then we got these pictures right here. It's the one. I'm blessed, bro.
You really are.
I am really blessed, bro.
They should go in the magazine.
Man,
Thank you, mama.
Like you said, man.
Too, brother.
Like you said, it's branded for the both of us. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got to figure out the way how to put my tag in the beat. I don't know how to do that.
Let the artists do it when they do it in office.
And I can just sample,
Or
right?
you can, when you track it out.
I know it's a way that I can do it on the Fruity Loop. Because I remember
Make
when...
it a sample and then hit it in there.
Right. I can probably record myself saying Mike Wayne Productions, email it, and then fly it over to my Fruity Loop. Oh, they're gonna be on me this 4th of July, baby. And guess what else I got? I got a St. Louis Legend shirt and a Hazelwood Legend shirt, bro. I didn't know you had Hazelwood Legend. He played with Reggie Germany, Ricardo Rhodes, Big Country, Terrell Fletcher.
That's my graduating class.
Do you have any idea how much he had to my family because of this? Because of us.
He was on varsity. I was on freshman. We used to wear our jerseys every Thursday. They used to wear their jerseys every Friday.
You said you're gonna do the face?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Show your line.
Oh yeah.
See? coffee.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, man.
Problem, Star.
And he gonna be open because